Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on some earbuds. So let's go ahead and get this started. So as you can see from the box, it obviously comes with a charging box and has all sorts of fancy features. It looks like it comes with earbuds, a charging case, 3 size ear tips, 3 size wing tips, and a micro USB cable. Seems that they are still using micro USB to charge everything. It looks like it's sweat resistant. That's kind of nice. And of course, Alexa enabled. Here it is. Gotta open it from the bottom. Oh, it's right here. Okay. I must admit, this presentation is pretty nice. Looks to be a little bit wider than like an AirPod if you were comparing it to that. Looks like that's probably the connect button, charger cable, and then that seems to be the headphones. Very fancy. Seems a little plasticky in person. Doesn't have the premium feel of, say, something a bit more expensive. These must be the extra tips. Then here seems to be the charging cable. And I don't see a charging block. Looks like you'll probably have to charge it with your computer or an existing charger. It's like, this is the important information. Well, these are some neat things to try. And then of course the introduction book. Go ahead and give you a brief overview of what's in this book. And that seems to be the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.